Hi there. Welcome to another episode on how to look after your Royal Enfield Interceptor or Continental GT. It's useful to know how to remove the wheels from your motorcycle in case a tyre gets punctured. To remove your front wheel, first prop the motorcycle on its frame with a jack. If a jack isn't available, get somebody to press down on the rear wheel. Remove the fork pinch bolt in the right fork leg. Use a spanner to hold the right side wheel spindle. Then loosen the wheel spindle nut using a 24 mm ring spanner. Remove the washer and wheel spindle from the front wheel. Gently slide the front wheel out. Place a cardboard sheet in between the brake pads. To reassemble the wheel, follow the reverse procedure. And that's it. You have just taken a step towards keeping your Royal Enfield twin in good shape.